Welcome back to another video. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for all of the love y'all showed the last video, and y'all have been showing the shorts and TikToks. It means a lot to me. Unfortunately, my dumbass forgot to record like half of the meat, so this video isn't very long, but it's still a banger. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Love you all.
I woke up with a chopper in my hand and let it spray. He gon' die today. AR bitch, I keep a K. 223s, I ball like Jordan, but I'm shooting like I'm Ray. Talking Allen, flush my Glock up in his motherfucking face. Chopper got an extendo. Hollow tip finna make our bitch do the limbo. Quit with a 30, I tiptoe. I ain't playing no games, just shit at Nintendo. Like, you match, I match. Beam on the chop, these bullets gon' catch him. I keep attachments, I like to attach. My chopper gon' open his guts, no latch. What did you do? I don't got a scratch. Shooters gon' shoot 30 on my back. I keep a semi-auto with a Mac 10. Bullets gon' get him high like crack. This CMB, why you always snapping? I just like talking shit when I rap. I keep a semi-auto with a Mac 10. Bullets gon' get him high.
Hella people in here, bro. Alright, y'all, we just parked up at the meet. This shit is crazy right here. Yeah, that's hard right there. Hella people in here, bro. Fuck. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. This right here, bro. This shit crazy, guys. God damn, I gotta get my money up, bro. This shit is crazy, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. That boy's spicy, yo. Oh, bro, look at this paint, cuz. Look at the caliber. We got the niggas. Oh, he's not black. He's not black. He's not black. It's the hardest whip right here. Dream car. Dream car, bro. Oh my god, bro. This shit is crazy. This is my favorite car. Look at the fucking wheels, bro. This shit is crazy right here. Alright, we had a different lot. This shit is, that Celine is hard. That's gas right there. Always. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes, sir.
Used to go, bro. Stance. Chrome scent, bro. Helicopter coming to the meet, bro. This is one of the hardest jobs here. Do you see the wheels? I don't know if y'all see that color, but fuck. Damn. Stance boys. Shout out to Ohio, bro. We do stance right out here. Damn, that shit. What is it? This shit right here, hard as hell.
You don't need that much in this one.
Alright, Dolo now about to come check out the rest of these cars. Last little lot over here this way. From Montana. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, this is insane. Y'all see the tag, right? Earlier when I came by this, I didn't really get a good picture of this. Those wheels are crazy, bro. Oh my god. That is crazy. Man, this is nice right here. They're kind of, yo. Fuck, I don't know. All I know is I need a sedan, bro, next car. Sedan or a truck. We gonna see. I ain't gonna lie, that's it, y'all. It was a success. I didn't really get as much content as I wanted to for real, or the type of content I wanted to, because I'm really off of 3 hours of sleep, and this was a 3-hour drive, bro. I promise y'all, next video about to be a banger. That's clean. I was trying to do more of like enjoying the meat than watching it, if that makes any sense. So yeah, y'all, I'm heading out. I got some POV content coming soon, some install content coming soon, so I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.